Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the add wireless display feature is failing in your Windows computer and you're unable to add it, then please watch this video. Now see, it depends on three things. The first thing is that the internet connection should be stable. The second thing is that the security updates should be installed, because if that isn't done, then you may not be able to install this feature. And the third thing is that you need to uninstall third-party antivirus products because they will interfere with the process. So first of all, we will open fast.com, fast.com, and hit enter. Okay, so this will show you the internet connection speed. If it is good enough, you can proceed to the next step. The next solution is to install all the security updates, and actually all the updates, because Windows wireless display feature is relatively new. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to uninstall third party antivirus. Okay, why would I say that? Let me show you. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to apps, select installed apps, wait for it to load. Now, the reason that I ask you to uninstall any third party antivirus product is because it is not required and they are overprotective and they block features. And why are they not required? Because if you have installed security updates, then Windows Defender or Windows Security in itself is sufficient of countering all the problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.